Hello, this is Amina. Welcome to HW News English. This Lok Sabha 2024 results no doubt sprung as a surprise for all of us when BJP couldn't even touch the majority mark and opposition India bloc gave a banging competition to the NDA. Now, India Today's Mood of Nation survey is out. The survey discusses the rise of Rahul Gandhi, the potential successor of PM Modi, and who would remain the top choice for PM's post, Rahul or Modi. In this report, I will discuss in detail India Today's Mood of Nation survey. So let's begin. Firstly, the survey found that when it comes to who is best suited to be the next PM, there is a thinning of the rating gap between Narendra Modi and Rahul Gandhi. PM Modi stands at 49% and Rahul Gandhi at 22.4%. Prime Minister Modi remains the favorite among the sample size. However, there is a 6-point rating drop in PM Modi's point from February survey. On the other hand, there is an 8-point rise for Rahul Gandhi over the same period. In February, 55% of the people wanted Modi as the Prime Minister and only 14% favored Rahul Gandhi for the post. Interestingly, when asked regardless of the party affiliation, who is the best to become Prime Minister after PM Modi, then people want Rahul Gandhi. Rahul Gandhi was the first choice for 28.6% of the people. Rahul Gandhi was ahead of leaders like Amit Shah, UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath and Nitin Gadkari. Amit Shah stands at 20%, Yogi Adityanath at 19% and Nitin Gadkari at 13%. So, in this preference for the next Prime Minister after Narendra Modi, Rahul Gandhi tops the choice of the people. This is the first time since 2016 that most of the people in the Mood of Nation survey have preferred Rahul Gandhi as the next Prime Minister. From February 2024 to August 2024, in these 6 months, what has changed the perception of the public towards Modi and Rahul Gandhi? The survey says that Rahul Gandhi's poll speeches and the issues which he raised during the campaigns have struck a chord with the sections of Indians. In fact, during the campaigns, he tirelessly attended rallies across the country. Moreover, he has been at his best even after the elections, with giving multiple speeches in Lok Sabha. Survey says that the election results had a Bazigar effect, in which Rahul Gandhi lost but won. If we compare the 2023 and 2024 August Mood of the Nation survey, then again there is a drop for PM Modi. In 2023, 52.3% of the people favored Modi as the Prime Minister, but this time only 49% of the people want him to be the PM. When we talk about Rahul Gandhi, then in 2023 survey, only 15.8% wanted him as the PM. But this year, 22.4% people want Rahul as the Prime Minister. The survey also focuses on Rahul Gandhi's performance as the leader of opposition. The survey says that 24% of the people said it was outstanding, 27 said it was good, 19 said it was average and 24% of them said it was poor. Let's come to the second part of the Mood of Nation survey. It deals with what would happen if elections were to be held now. Now you would think if elections were to be happen now, then would Congress cross its 100-seat marks or would BJP touch the majority mark? Let's see what the survey has to say. The survey says that the BJP would have won 244 seats and Congress would have won 106 seats if election were to be held now. Here there is an increase for BJP by 4 seats, but BJP would fail to reach the majority seat mark and would have to rely on its NDA allies. Then for Congress, there is a gain of 7 seats. Here there is a bigger gain percentage for the Congress party with 7%, but for the BJP it is 1.64% gain. When we talk about Congress, which has failed to cross the mark of 100 seats, would have crossed the psychological barrier of 100 seats if elections were to be held now. Congress has for the last 1 decade failed to cross the 100-seat marks with its 44 seats in 2014 and 52 seats in 2019. Then when we talk about the vote share, then BJP would have increased it to 38% and Congress would have got 25% vote share. Now here Congress would have seen a better vote share because BJP's vote share only increased from 36.6% to 38%. But for Congress there is an increase from 21% to 25%. Let's come to the third part about India Bloc's performance if elections were to be held now. The Mood of the Nation survey says that India Bloc would have lost a seat if polls were to be held now. NDA would have performed better than the India Bloc if elections were held now. NDA would have got 299 seats. In elections, it got 293. Here there is a gain in the number of seats for the NDA. For the India Bloc, the survey says that there would be a surprising reduction of 1 seat. Here the gain for the NDA comes because of 4 additional seats of the BJP. For the India Bloc, the reduction comes because of the poor show of the other parties other than the Congress. Well, this is a short summary of the Mood of Nation survey. Do share your views on it in the comments. That's all for this news report. Till then, keep watching HW News English and download our app News Shorts to get the latest news and updates. Stay ahead with our cutting edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.